Second choice is Street Bump. And the rope early lead is taken by La Huerta from the outside. Miss Chanel by the rail. And Gabo moving up in between horses to grab the lead. Miss Chanel by the rail, followed by Gabo on the outside. La Huerta running in third. Street Bomb by the rail in fourth. Entry number 2, Queen Alicia, Scotland Yard and Sauvignon. Rounding the far turn, Miss Chanel by a length and a half, followed by Gabo on the outside in second. Moving up on the inside, Street Bomb, La Huerta on the outside in fourth. And here comes Scotland Yard. And rounding the far turn, it's Gabo by 3.5 lengths, followed by on the outside, Street Bomb, La Huerta on the farther outside, now moving up. And at the top of the stretch, it is still the outstanding favorite, and that is Gabo leading the field, followed by Street Bomb on the outside, La Huerta on the farther outside, and Miss Chanel, Scotland Yard, Queen Alicia, and Sauvignon. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still the it's Gabo. And finally, at the payoff line, it's like a walk in the park for entry number 4, Gabo, Street Bomb, La Huerta.
456.